In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently schedule a meeting using Copilot in Outlook or Teams. Now, whether you're coordinating a team gathering or setting up a client discussion, Copilot can be a real game changer, streamlining the entire scheduling process. Let's walk through how this works step by step so you can master it with confidence. To start, you'll want to launch either Outlook or Teams on your computer or device. Now, make sure that the Copilot feature is enabled. If you're not sure whether it's set up on your account, take a moment to check your settings or reach out to your IT support team. Having Copilot ready means it can easily jump in to assist you with scheduling tasks. Once you've got the application open and Copilot is ready to go, you're just a few words away from starting the scheduling process. You can either type or using your microphone, say, schedule a meeting with, followed by the names of the people you want to include. Remember to be clear and precise here, as this helps Copilot understand who to reach out to. After the names, specify the date and time you have in mind for the meeting. For example, you might say, schedule a meeting with John and Sarah on September 15th at 2 p.m. Now here's where Copilot really starts to shine. Upon receiving your request, Copilot will work in the background to propose meeting options that should work for everyone involved. This proposal is based on the participants' availability, as well as any scheduling preferences they might have set. So if someone is typically out of the office on Mondays or prefers morning meetings, Copilot takes all of this into account. Once Copilot has come back with these options, the ball is back in your court to have the final say. Take a careful look at the details proposed by Copilot. You'll want to confirm that the date and time are suitable for everyone involved and make any necessary adjustments if they aren't. It's a good practice to also double check any other details like meeting duration and location, especially if it's a hybrid or in-person meeting scenario. With all the details confirmed, you simply finalize the meeting invite. This usually involves clicking on a confirm or send button within your application. That's it. Your meeting invitations are sent, and all participants will receive notifications about the scheduled time and date. And there you have it, an easy way to set up meetings using Copilot in Outlook or Teams. By letting Copilot handle the logistics, you free up precious time to focus on other important tasks. As you continue to use this tool, you'll likely find it's an indispensable part of your workflow. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling!